So we got the Samsung Galaxy C9 Pro here, finally, a much requested device, straight from Taiwan, I think, and it is costing about $500. So I will be comparing it to some other phones like Galaxy A9 Pro. That would be a great comparison because I really like these Pro phones. They're like the steroid versions of the normal variants, so they have like big batteries. So I think I'm gonna need a knife here. Just peeling off the plastic. There we go. So the box resembles a lot like the previous Semi devices, like the A9 Pro. Very similar stuff. So I'm gonna quickly lift this one up, and here we have the Galaxy C9 Pro. My God, this is looking so beautiful. Wow, such a premium device, and it's having a 6-inch display, so of course it's a really big phone, but compared to A9 Pro it definitely feels a lot slimmer. Build quality feels a bit more leveled up, you can say. So let's take a look at the accessories. So after the C9 Pro, most probably I'll be unboxing the Galaxy A 2017 series, so which is coming this month very soon. So subscribe for those videos. So we have like a box here. I think it contains some of the paperwork. So we also have the SIM ejecting tool. Then moving on, we get some more stuff here. Okay, this is something that I can't read because I don't know this language. And you can see we have this fast charger, which also looks a lot different. I mean, this device came straight from Taiwan. Yeah, that's why everything looks different. So here we have some normal Sammy AirPods. So yeah, that is what we have inside the box other than the phone. So moving on to the actual device, the star of the show, the Galaxy C9 Pro. I'm just gonna quickly remove the plastic from the back, and oh my God, it feels so premium. I mean, glass is good, but aluminum is just next level. Feels so good in hand, and I hope this phone should have some battery because I'm about to boot this one up. And here we go. So it is a super slim phone. I mean, even with 6-inch display and a 4,000 milliampere battery, it is a super slim phone. Like, it feels super thin for that big size. And yeah, that's the main thing that separates the C9 Pro from the A9 Pro. Obviously, battery is not 5,000. So we're gonna quickly get through the setup, and we are done. So, oh my God, this is a surprise. This phone is actually having the latest Grace UI. Wow, I had no idea about this. I actually thought that I would be having, the normal Android Marshmallow, but this is Grace TouchWiz UI. At the moment it's like the second Samsung device to have this. A 2016 has it. Actually, third. Grand Prime Plus is also having this improved Grace UI. So you get all the cool new toggles, lots of stuff from the Note 7. So there is our secure folder, blue light filter. So pretty nice stuff. And I like the wallpaper. This phone just feels so good in hand. I mean, build quality, display is looking really sharp. The camera is 16 megapixels, so it is the same as what we see on A9 Pro and other devices. So you get the latest latest improved UI from Samsung. So got some really nice modes here, and also swiping here. Some Taiwanese stuff. These modes and everything, they look a lot different. I mean, I don't know if this phone will be like coming to other countries. I think it's available in India, but yeah, that is what we have, a specific like Taiwanese mode. We're gonna record videos all the way up to full HD 1080p. Which is nice. So we have a USB Type-C port down here, which is pretty nice because currently, as of now, this is the only Samsung phone to have USB Type-C since the Galaxy Note 7, died. So yeah. Also, we do have always on mode, which is great. Something we have seen only with the flagship Galaxy S7 devices. So another big amazing thing about this device is that it's having 6 gigs of RAM, which is crazy. Like, it's the first ever Samsung device to have 6 gigs of RAM. So I mean, looking at this, we can definitely expect 6 gigs of RAM on the Galaxy S8 in the future. That is a pretty obvious thing. So you can see I have like 3.6 gigabyte of available space for like multitasking and other stuff. So which is like so much of a space for multitasking and having the smooth performance. So I can't wait to test this phone out in a speed test battle. Processor inside of this phone is Snapdragon 653, which should be enough to run pretty much everything smoothly without any problem. Although again, I'll be testing its speed performance compared to other devices, like the Galaxy 7, Galaxy A9 Pro. Let me know which videos you want to see. I will be doing my full review also, so stay tuned for all that content. Kicking off 2017 with a Sammy boy here.